Hello, my dear viewers. Today we are going to have a quiz on prepositions. I'm going to give you some multiple choice questions. There will be 10 questions in the test. I show you the questions, then you have 5 seconds to think about the answer. You can pause the video if you need more time to think. Now let's get started. Here is question number 1 on your screen. Now tell me which sentence is correct. The concert will take place at the stadium. The concert will take place in the stadium. The concert will take place on the stadium. So the right answer is the concert will take place at the stadium. Question number 2. Which sentence is correct? She arrived in the airport at 6 p.m. She arrived on the airport at 6 p.m. She arrived at the airport at 6 p.m. So the right answer is she arrived at the airport at 6 p.m. Question number 3. Which sentence is correct? They're studying on the library. They are studying in the library. They are studying at the library. So the right answer is they are studying in the library. Question number 4. Which sentence is correct? The painting is displayed in the gallery. The painting is displayed on the gallery. The painting is displayed at the gallery. And the right option is the painting is displayed in the gallery. Question number 5. Which sentence is correct? He found the document in the file cabinet. He found the document on the file cabinet. He found the document at the file cabinet. So the right answer is he found the document in the file cabinet. Question number 6. Which sentence is correct? We'll have meeting at the office. We'll have meeting on the office. We'll have meeting in the office. So the right option is we'll have meeting in the office. Question number 7. Which sentence is correct? She left her bag on the car. She left her bag in the car. She left her bag at the car. So the right answer is she left her bag in the car. Question number 8. The kids are playing on the playground. The kids are playing at the playground. The kids are playing in the playground. So the right answer is the kids are playing in the playground. Question number 9. Which sentence is correct? There is a new restaurant on Main Street. There is a new restaurant in Main Street. There is a new restaurant at Main Street. So the right answer is there is a new restaurant on Main Street. Question number 10. Which sentence is correct? They are staying at a hotel during their vacation. They are staying on a hotel during their vacation. They're staying in a hotel during their vacation. So the right answer is they are staying at a hotel during their vacation. I hope you liked this video. Now tell me what is the score you get out of 10. Leave that for me as a comment below. And I hope you're finding my videos helpful. So please make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified. Thanks for watching.